Dear students, today I will talk about the errors of refraction. What are the different type of refractive errors? Number 1, hypermetropia. Number 2, myopia. Number 3, astigmatism. And number 4 is presbyopia. Hypermetropia, where in excess measurement of convergence is required. What is the definition? When parallel rays coming from infinity focused behind the sentinel layer of retina when accommodation is at rest. Image size. It is smaller in hypermetropia and larger in myopia. Exactly the opposite happens when hypermetropia is corrected by correcting lens, that is larger in hypermetropia and smaller in myopia. Optical condition. Latent hypermetropia. That part of hypermetropia which is physiological due to ciliary tone and which is revealed after abolition of ciliary tone. Next is manifest hypermetropia. It has two parts. One is facultative hypermetropia and another is absolute hypermetropia. What is facultative hypermetropia? That amount of hypermetropia which can be corrected by excess accommodation for distance. And what is absolute hypermetropia? That amount of hypermetropia which cannot be corrected by excess accommodation. That is 2 is equal to 3 plus 4. Normal age variation. At birth, a baby born at birth with 2 to 3 diopter of hypermetropia. During first year, the hypermetropia increases slightly. In next 7 years to puberty, the boy or girl became emmetropic. Tone of ciliary muscle decreases with age, causing revealed hypermetropia. Etiology. Axial hypermetropia. 1 mm shortening causes 3 diopter of hypermetropia. Usually it is up to 2 mm, that is primary axial hypermetropia. Secondary causes are microphthalmos, orbital tumor, retinal detachment and macular edema. Curvature hypermetropia. 1 millimeter increase in radius of curvature will cause 6 diopter of hypermetropia. Causes. One is congenital, that is cornea plana, and number 2 is acquired due to trauma. Index hypermetropia. Homogeneity of lens, cortex and nucleus decreases its converging power, causing hypermetropia. In aphakia, where the lens is absent in its normal position, causes high hypermetropia. Clinical features. For symptoms, eye strain, more during near work leads to headache. Dimness of vision. For near work, for near plus distance may cause amblyopia. Excess accommodation. Ciliary spasm leading to artificial myopia. Ciliary spasm leading to excessive accommodation, causing accommodative convergence is to accommodation ratio imbalance, leading to loss of binocular vision and convergent squint. What are the signs? General signs. Small eyeball size, normal lens size, shallow anterior chamber, narrow angle of the anterior chamber, susceptible to angle closure glaucoma. Retina. Peculiar seen in the posterior pole of fundus, which is called short silk retina. Optic disc. It is usually small, reddish with blurred margin and grey radial striations. This is called pseudopapillitis. And And number 4 is convergent squint. Management. Number 1, convex lens can be given as spectacle or contact lens. Refractive surgery. LASIK, laser assisted in situ keratomeliosis. Next is treatment for correcting convergent squint. There are 4 parts. One is refractive correction, another is accommodative correction, another is surgical correction, and treatment of amblyopia. And number 4 is treatment of the cause, if any. My next topic is myopia, which is also called close eye or short sightedness. Definition: parallel rays coming from infinity focus in front of retina when accommodation is at rest. This is the diagram of myopia. Optical condition: myopia corrected by concave lens. Next one is far point. Far point is that point from where the incoming rays focused on the light sensitive layer of retina. In emmetropia it is infinity. In myopia it is in front of the eye. The amount of myopia is measured by a formula that is 1 divided by far point in meter. That is, if far point is 1 meter from cornea, then his myopia is 1 divided by 1 equal to 1 diopter. Similarly, when it is 2 meter from cornea, it is 0.5 diopter. Etiology: axial. 1 millimeter increment will cause 3 diopter of myopia. Curvature: 1 millimeter decrease in radius of curvature will cause 6 diopter of myopia. Examples: keratoconus, lenticonus, spasm of accommodation. Index: in nuclear cataract where the refractive index of lens is increased. Classification: simple myopia, usually up to 6 diopter, increases till adulthood, about 20 years. Next is pathological or progressive or degenerative myopia, may be up to 30 diopter, may increase till 30 years of age, usually genetic. Weakness of sclera and stretching of choroid and retina is found. Clinical features of myopia. First, symptoms: dimness of vision, mainly for distance. Causes: refractive, retinal, early lental opacity. Night blindness due to retinal atrophy in mid-periphery. Lack of convergence leading to divergent squint. Black spot in front of vision, which are called floaters, due to vitreous degeneration. Flashes of light, that is photopsia, due to posterior vitreous detachment or retinal tear. What are the clinical features? Signs: increased size of eyeball, deep anterior chamber, large pupil, reaction of the pupil is sluggish, apparent convergent squint, and atrophy of the ciliary muscles. Important is fundus of pathological myopia. Tigroid fundus. It is retina loses pigments, large choroidal vessels are seen, and choroidal atrophy surrounded by pigment clump is found. In macula, there may be chorioretinal atrophy and Foster-Fuchs spot. What is Foster-Fuchs spot? It is proliferation of pigment epithelium and intrachoroidal hemorrhage. Disc. Myopic present in the temporal part of the disc is found. Sometimes there may be supertraction present in the nasal part of the disc, and there may be peripapillary atrophy. posterior staphyloma, diagnosed by bending of retinal vessels. Peripheral retinal degeneration, lattice degeneration, peripheral holes, and peripheral retinal tear. Vitreous, posterior vitreous detachment and vitreous detachment and vitreous degenerations are frequently found. Lens, posterior cortical cataract. Squint, usually divergent squint. Treatment, optical as concave lens can be given as spectacle or contact lens. Types of contact lens: hard, made by PMMA or polymethyl methacrylate; soft, made by hydroxyethyl methacrylate or HEMA; and number 3 is rigid gas permeable. What are the advantages of contact lens? Increase image size, which is very important in high myopia, increase visual field, less aberrations, and more cosmetic. Photorefractive surgeries: number 1, radial keratotomy; number 2, epikeratophakia, where donor lenticule is used; excimer laser keratectomy or photorefractive keratectomy; LASIK, cataract removal, and phakic intraocular lens implantation. Of these, LASIK is the most popular method. Low visual aids, where vision cannot be improved by optical system, then we have to increase the size of the image. For near, we use different type of magnifier, and for distance we use telescope. Next is ocular hygiene and treatment of complication of myopia and prophylaxis to prevent complication of myopia. Next topic is astigmatism. Definition: a condition where a point focus of parallel rays of coming from infinity cannot be formed on retina. It is first discovered by Isaac Newton. Next, its optical system is described by Thomas Young and the nomenclature is given by Donders. Etiology: due to different radius of curvature of different meridian of refracting surfaces like cornea and lens. Corneal astigmatism: with the rule astigmatism, where vertical curvature is greater than horizontal curvature due to lead pressure. Against the rule astigmatism, where horizontal curvature is greater than vertical curvature. Causes: number 1, congenital; number 2, acquired, as in keratoconus, lid tumor, or regressive pterygium; and number 3 is iatrogenic, after cataract surgery. Usually against the rule astigmatism occur. Lenticular astigmatism. Causes: diseases like lenticonus or subluxation of lens. Iatrogenic, decentration of intraocular lens. Types: regular, with geometric pattern. It has 3 types. One is normal, where principal meridians are horizontal and vertical. Next one is oblique, where principal meridians are at right angles but not horizontal and vertical. And number 3 is bioblique, where principal meridians are not at right angles. And next is irregular, without any geometric patterns. Regular astigmatism are subdivided into simple, compound, and mixed. In simple myopic astigmatism, one meridian falls on retina and another meridian falls on myopic side. In simple hypermetropic, one meridian on retina and another meridian on hypermetropic side. In compound, both the meridians either in myopic side or in hypermetropic side, and in mixed, one meridian is in myopia and another meridian in hypermetropic side. What are the symptoms of astigmatism? Number 1, dimness of vision. Number 2, distortion of image. Number 3, eye strain and headache. And number 4 is amblyopia. Diagnostic tools for measurement of refractive error. One is retinoscope, another is autorefractometer, and another is keratometer. Management of astigmatism. Cylindrical lens in simple myopic or simple hypermetropic condition. Spherocylindrical lens in compound hypermetropic or compound myopic or mixed type. Toric contact lens, hard contact lens in keratoconus. Sometimes refractive surgeries are done, and in keratoconus where there is corneal opacity, then penetrating keratoplasty is indicated. Next is presbyopia. For near work, we need extra convergence. The mechanism is called accommodation. Mechanism of accommodation. Ciliary muscle contracts, zonules become relaxed, lens become more globular, and converging power of lens is increased. During presbyopic age, after 40 years, lens capsule loses its elasticity, so cannot change its shape as previous. Management. Convex lens as bifocal spectacle or multifocal spectacle. Thank you.